Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix vitamin E capsule in cream. First, select a good quality, unscented cream as your base. Next, gather your vitamin E capsules. A common size is 400 IU. Always ensure your hands and any utensils are thoroughly clean before you begin. This preparation step is crucial for maintaining the purity and effectiveness of your homemade mixture. Let's get started with the simple mixing process. Now, let's get to the mixing. Take 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules and carefully puncture them with a clean needle or pin. Gently squeeze the pure vitamin E oil directly into a small, manageable portion of your chosen cream. Using a clean spatula or your fingertip, mix the oil and cream together thoroughly. Continue mixing until the vitamin E oil is completely and evenly blended, ensuring no streaks remain. Once mixed, your vitamin E-enriched cream is ready for use. Apply a small amount to clean skin, gently massaging it in, especially on areas needing extra hydration or repair. Remember, vitamin E oil is quite potent, so a little goes a long way. For storage, transfer any remaining mixture into a clean, airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness and efficacy for longer. Incorporating vitamin E into your cream offers several skin benefits. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your skin cells from environmental damage and free radicals. Consistent application can lead to improved skin hydration, a smoother texture, and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines over time. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including a fantastic car air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.